Okay, now we are opening the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. Okay, so here it is, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. Yep. So here you can see there are lots of different things like the USB cable, the charger, and one headphone, and some menus over here. Yep. And now the main part, the Galaxy S2. Yep. Now we are going to open it. So this is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. Now we are going to on it. So it has a beautiful back cover with a rubber finish. Yep. So there's the welcome screen, as you can see. So now it's open.